iSupport Google integration. In iSupport, you can configure integration with Google Search for global search functionality, Google Maps for the Rep Map component and customer and company screens, Google Calendar and Google Meet for iSupport entry screens, and Gmail for notification functionality. For Gmail integration, use the default Outbound Settings tab in the Email configuration screen to specify server access and Google API project credentials for notifications generated by iSupport. To set up an incoming email account, follow the instructions on the Account Details tab to specify Google API project credentials for accessing the email server. Note that the Gmail connection method has been updated to support the Google authentication security enhancements that are scheduled to be enforced in October 2022. Existing connections need to be updated prior to this date to avoid connection failure. To set up calendar, maps, and search integration, use the Google Integration configuration screen. For Google Calendar and Meeting integration, follow the steps on the Account Details tab in the Google Integration screen to specify your Google API project credentials and set up the email to be sent for a scheduled meeting. Use the Include Field link to add field values regarding the meeting. Support representatives will need to use the Google Calendar fields in the Preferences dialog, accessed via the desktop menu, to enable access to their calendar and set the workday hours for scheduling availability. For Google Maps integration, follow the steps on the Google Maps tab in the Google Integration screen to specify your Google Maps API key. For Google Search, follow the steps on the Google Search tab in the Google Integration screen to create a Google Search engine and enter its ID in the Google Search Engine Unique ID field. That's it for an overview of iSupport's Google integration functionality. If you have any questions, be sure to consult the online help or contact customer support by email at support@isupport.com and by phone at 360-397-1099. We're available 6 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday, PST. You can also go to mysupport.isupport.com, iSupport Software's technical support website, to chat with support representatives, submit and view incidents, search the knowledge base, view facts, submit ideas, and participate in the user discussion forum.